Autofaze, I'm Pete Brand. Today we're checking out a local American drift machine. Let's check it out.
This is for you, America. All this is in progress.
So I'm here with Mr. American himself. Look at that shirt. This is Ben Savage with Boosted Unavailable. We got Rob with RB Adrenaline. He did a lot of fabric on the car. So Ben, tell us about the car. It's, you know, obviously it's an American drift machine, and thank you for having us out. Go ahead, take it away.
Yeah, this is my 2007 Chevrolet Corvette drift car. We bought it totaled from the auction to turn into a drift car. Moved up from 240s, 350Zs, had all that fun. Everything was LS swap, so why not get something that actually has an LS in it?
Oh, yeah.
I've just loved Corvettes. Been my dream car, so why not slide one into a wall?
That's awesome. I like that you didn't keep the typical Corvette wheels. I do like that you're wearing the typical Corvette jean shorts though, so that's
Yep.
pretty baller. I love the outfit. Rob, you got anything to add about the car?
No, I mean, it's still kind of a work in progress. We still got a lot to go to get it set up where we can run it continuously. I mean, obviously, cars weren't built to do what we're doing with it, so there's major things we got to change, oiling setup.
Sure.
The car's meant to go, you know, straight or through a corner straight, not sideways through a corner. So oil scavenging is a problem on anything not dry sump. So we're working that out. And same thing with the intercooler setup, going to water to air instead of air to air. And then going through a massive suspension change right now, going from just kind of modded knuckles to full-on drift knuckles and coilovers to get rid of the mono leaves and stuff. So we're still playing, but
Cool.
We'll be out in it for sure.
And I was talking to Ben earlier, you know, before we started filming, and he was saying that you guys are having some actual difficulties finding parts for the C6. You guys want to touch on that for a second?
Yeah, there's really not too much aftermarket support really for the drift community for Corvettes. No one really slides them. There's a couple of guys, Matt Field and Dirk Stratton, they're pro drivers. They've kind of done a lot of the stuff, and companies have worked just specifically for them, building custom stuff. But other than that, open to public, there's really not much. They've got a lot of road race stuff, drag stuff, but the car is set up completely different than when you want to go straight. We're prepping it to go sideways at 100 mile an hour instead of going straight. So we're working with a bunch of great companies. Like I said, Robert's doing a bunch of custom fab work, FDF Fab, and Canada's doing a bunch of stuff. We've got a bunch of great companies on board making this happen with all the custom stuff that we're getting for the car. So
That's awesome. That's awesome. So where did the idea come to wrap the car in the American flag? I mean, because obviously this thing stands out. I've seen it all over social media, you know, and you guys are just beginning the season, so I can't wait to see, you know, this thing on the track. But where did that idea come from, you know, to rep the American flag as you guys are going sideways?
I mean, everyone does Japanese cars, everyone drifts Japanese cars, so it being American, these guys wrapping their cars as Japanese letters and everything else, but Chevrolet, what's more American than a Chevy Corvette?
That's so awesome.
I definitely love the flag idea. We paired up with the print shop KC, and Ryan and Perry came up with this as a final design graphic, and I love it. We still got some stuff to put on, the sponsors and everything, but it's just nothing more iconic than an American flag. So.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. I agree.